Introducing the 2026 Ford Puma St-line 1.0T 125M Mhev M6 FWD 4 in stunning blue. This MPV packs a punch with a 1-litre engine and manual transmission. Decked out with all the comfort and safety features you could need, including cruise control, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and more. Plus, security features like centralized locking and intelligent speed assist will give you peace of mind on the road. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specs, and a comprehensive warranty, this Ford Puma is ready for anything. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to make this beauty yours.